Hi everyone! Welcome to Mr. IELTS, your ultimate guide to acing the IELTS speaking test. I'm MJ, and here we focus on practical tips, proven strategies and interactive practice to help you boost your fluency, expand your vocabulary and improve your pronunciation. Whether you're aiming for a band 6 or striving for a band 9, I've got you covered. So hit that subscribe button and join me on the journey to mastering IELTS speaking. Let's get started. Today I'm going to share some really good advanced questions under first part of IELTS test and few advanced cue cards questions as well, which help you to achieve high scores in 2025. So please watch this video till the end. Let's begin with IELTS speaking first part questions. Before we are moving to questions, I would like to give you all brief explanation about first part. This part is all about you. The examiner will ask simple questions about familiar topics like your home, family, work, studies or hobbies. It's designed to help you relax and get comfortable speaking in English. Okay, now let's start with questions and band 9 answers for those questions. The topic that I would like to choose is work studies. Question number 1. Do you work or are you a student? The answer would be, I currently work as a marketing specialist at a tech company. My role involves creating strategies to enhance our online presence, which I find both challenging and rewarding. It allows me to blend creativity with analytical thinking, which I thoroughly enjoy. Question number 2. Why did you choose this job or field of study? The answer would be, I've always been fascinated by how brands connect with people, and marketing felt like the perfect fit for my interests. It's a dynamic field where I can continuously learn and adapt to new trends, which keeps me motivated. The second topic that I would like to choose is hometown question number 3. Where are you from? The answer would be, I'm from Tokyo, a bustling metropolis known for its vibrant culture and rich history. It's a place where tradition beautifully blends with modernity, offering something for everyone. I've lived there my whole life, and it holds a special place in my heart. Question number 4. What do you like about your hometown? The answer would be, there's so much to love. What stands out most is the warmth of the people. They are always friendly and welcoming. Additionally, the food scene is incredible, with a mix of local delicacies and international cuisines. I also appreciate the green spaces that provide a peaceful escape from the city's hustle and bustle. Question number 5. Has your hometown changed much over the years? The answer would be, it has changed significantly. Over the past decade, it has transformed into a modern hub with towering skyscrapers and advanced infrastructure. However, despite this rapid development, the city has managed to preserve its historical landmarks, which I find truly commendable. The third topic that I would like to choose is technology. Question number 6. How often do you use a computer? The answer would be, I use a computer almost every day. It's an indispensable tool for my work, where I manage tasks, conduct research, and communicate with colleagues. Beyond work, I also use it for entertainment, like streaming shows or browsing the internet. Question number 7. Do you think people rely too much on technology? The answer would be, absolutely. I think technology has become an integral part of our lives, sometimes to an excessive extent. While it's incredibly convenient, I believe it's essential to strike a balance and not let it replace meaningful human interactions or traditional skills. Question number 8. Is technology changing the way we work? The answer would be, yes, it is. Technology has revolutionized the workplace, making processes more efficient and enabling remote work. Tools like video conferencing and cloud computing have bridged geographical gaps, fostering global collaboration. However, it also requires us to continuously adapt and upgrade our skills. Now I'm thinking, to move to cue card, which is the second part of the IELTS speaking test. Before I'm moving to the advanced questions and 9 banned answers, I would like to explain bit of part 2 in IELTS exam. The cue card, or part 2 of the IELTS speaking test, is designed to test your ability to speak continuously and coherently for 1-2 minutes. It's your chance to shine and showcase your speaking skills. And you will get 1 minute to think and prepare the answer. So please use that 1 minute properly. The first cue card question would be, describe a time when you solved a problem using your imagination. You should say what the problem was, how you solved it, how long it took to solve, and explain how you felt after solving it. The 9 banned answer would be, a memorable instance when I used my imagination to solve a problem was during a team project at work. We were tasked with presenting a new marketing strategy, but just 2 days before the deadline, we realized our visuals weren't impactful enough. I proposed creating an animated storyboard to make our presentation more engaging and relatable. Despite having no prior experience in animation, I used a free online tool and sketched out a simple but effective storyline. I involved my teammates by assigning them roles like writing captions and selecting background music. It took us about 12 hours of brainstorming and execution to bring the idea to life. The presentation turned out to be a hit. Our boss was impressed with our creativity, and we received praise for thinking outside the box. This experience not only boosted my confidence in problem solving, but also reinforced the importance of teamwork and innovative thinking. The second cue card question would be, describe a gift you recently gave to someone. You should say who you gave it to, what the gift was, why you chose this gift, and explain how the person reacted. The 9 banned answer would be, recently I gave a personalized photo album to my best friend on her birthday. She had been reminiscing about our school days and how much she missed those carefree moments, so I thought this gift would be both thoughtful and meaningful. The album contained a collection of pictures from our school trips, birthday celebrations, and random candid moments. I also included handwritten captions for each photo, highlighting the memories associated with them. I chose this gift because it wasn't something she could buy. It was sentimental and unique, just like our friendship. When she opened it, she was visibly moved. Her eyes welled up with tears and she hugged me tightly, saying it was the best gift she'd ever received. It was heartwarming to see her reaction, and it made me realize that gifts don't need to be expensive to be meaningful. They just need to come from the heart. The third cue card question would be, describe an activity you do to stay healthy. You should say what the activity is, how often you do it, how you started doing it, and explain why it helps you stay healthy. The 9 banned answer would be, one activity I regularly do to stay healthy is yoga. I practice it every morning for about 30 minutes, and it has become an essential part of my daily routine. I started doing yoga about 2 years ago when I was dealing with high stress levels due to work. A friend recommended it, and I decided to join a beginner's class. Initially, it was challenging to maintain balance and focus, but with consistent practice, I grew more comfortable and even began enjoying it. Yoga helps me stay healthy in multiple ways. Physically, it improves my flexibility and posture, while mentally it keeps me calm and focused. I've noticed that I start my day with a clearer mind and feel more energetic throughout. This activity has truly transformed my lifestyle, and I now encourage others to try it for its countless benefits. I hope you have learned many things from this video. Before the end of this video, I would like to give few tips for IELTS speaking test. The tips as follows. Be confident and natural. Speak like you're having a conversation with a friend. Don't overthink your answers. Expand your answers. Provide more than just a one-sentence response. Add details, examples, or reasons to make your answers richer. Use a variety of vocabulary. Avoid repeating the same words. Use synonyms and descriptive language where possible. Focus on fluency, not perfection. Minor grammatical mistakes won't harm your score if your speech is fluent and coherent. Practice pronunciation. Speak clearly and ensure you stress the correct syllables in words. Intonation also makes your speech engaging. Maintain eye contact. If the test is in person, look at the examiner confidently. If it's on a computer, focus on the camera. So I think this video gave you many valuable tips and good knowledge about 9-band answers. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful advice. See you next time.